Hi, I'm Owen from Scribbler, and this is a quick tutorial on how to change the colour of a logo to any colour you want. First thing I'll do is open my logo that I want to change. Just got a Grammarly logo here. Excellent tool if you haven't used it. Okay, so first thing I want to do is open up my layers panel, which is over here. I can either click to a new layer here. It's an index color, so I'll have to change it to RGB. That will allow me to open up a new layer. Now click this icon for new layer, or I can press Ctrl+Shift+N, and then it will allow me to create one. I'll rename it. It's just good practice. I'll call it color overlay. I'm gonna call this original logo. On the color overlay, I'll press G, or I can choose this icon. If you're not on that icon, if you click and hold, it will bring up two options. If you're on the gradient, just click and hold and change it back to paint bucket. I'll make sure I'm on white, which I am. Well, it's not pure white though. I'll change it to pure white, and then I'll make sure I've got my layer selected, and I'll click here to fill it with white. Now I'm going to right click on this layer and click on clipping mask. As you see, it's changed the whole logo to white very quickly. Problem is, if I click the icon, the eye icon, to disable that layer, you can see there's a white G in the middle. So although everything's white, there's already a white G there, so you can't see it, it's invisible. If I press W or click the wand tool, I can select that white part, and then if I click the mask tool, it will mask that. But I actually want to mask everything except that, so I'll flip it. So now if I go up to my mask on the right hand side, I open it, and if I click on invert, it'll flip it, so that's the only bit, and it's made it invisible. It's exactly what I want. Go back to my layers and click on my layer that I want, and make sure the eye is clicked again so it's visible. And now you see that I've got a white logo with a bit in the middle missing. Just as an extra feature, if you want to, you can click on the adjustment layers, and then if you click on solid color, and then I'll just click OK for now. If I right click on that one and make that one a laying clipping mask as well, you'll see that I can turn off the other one now, and I can actually just change this to any color I want, and it will change the color of the logo. So that can be really useful, especially if you have a website or something and you need to copy identically with a href or something like that. You could just put the reference in there and it would copy exactly. You might have problems if the layer has logo has a gradient on it or anything like that, but it's a very, very good starting point. So I hope that helps. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and comment if you like the video.